Hello, friends. Every day we make many decisions, and some involve others in our conclusion. But a simple phrase we should always keep in our mind is never judge a book by its cover. Just always know this and remember this while reaching a conclusion. So, let's hear a story to understand this concept. Sorry, I did not hear you. This is the story of a watchman. His life experience will restore your faith back and also teach you to never to be judgmental towards anyone without knowing the full picture. The story is there was a watchman who always used to open and close the gates and then greet the house owner, but the owner never responds to him. The watchman thinks his owner is a little arrogant and does not want to talk to some poor fellow. Every day after work, he searches the garbage for food, whatsoever is left by the owners. One day, when he was searching for the food, he finds a bag full of eatables in a well packed poly bag. He did not understand who puts it and why someone does it. This goes on for several years until his owner has died. After his owner's death, he searches daily but never got the bag again. Without that food, it was again difficult for him to feed himself with the little salary he gets. So he went to the owner's wife to ask for a salary raise. When he asked for the salary raise, the owner's wife questions him why he did not come early and had been working with such little salary. He tells her about the poly bag he used to get every day, and for this reason, his salary was enough for his family. But now it stopped. The owner's wife got tears in her eyes and said, "You are the fifth one telling this story. My husband used to help everyone he can. Don't worry, you will have the raise." Again, from the next day, he starts to get the poly bag with tables at the same place. This time, he understands that it must be his owner's son. Every day, he greets the owner's son, and even he never replied the watchman. One day, nearly fed up with this, he shouted aloud to the owner's son, "Sir, thank you." The owner's son turns and said, "Sorry, I did not hear you. I have a hearing problem, just like my father." So, the moral of the story is there is always two sides to every story. Someone may seem arrogant, jealous, egoistic, but it will be always better to first know the two sides to every story and then reach any final decision. You may be right, but you may be wrong as well. We should never be judgmental and decide the character of a person just by his behavior. Thank you. Hope you really like my story. If so, then please subscribe my channel Story Time with Abha Sood. Keep reading. Thank you.